Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how to install tire chains. I'm gonna imagine that I'm stuck in the snow, I can't move forward or backwards, and how to put on a chain in that circumstance. So I'll line this chain up, and then I'm gonna wrap this around the tire. Now keep in mind, if you've got a rear wheel drive, these are gonna go on the rear wheel, and vice versa. Bringing it all the way over the tire, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the inside of the tire. It's the exact same process on the outside. Then you can kind of pull this out. You just repeat the process. You're gonna have this line here with all these links. Those links are gonna go through this little connection right here. Slide those through, and you're gonna wanna take all the slack out of that. You have these plastic tabs, and you can take that slack and just snap that in, and that will hold those in place. Once you get your chains on, you're good to go. You're not going at freeway speeds at that point. Take it easy, drive slowly, and be careful. Stay safe out there, don't get stuck, and if you do, now you know how to put chains on.